The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi there, this is Paul Panna, and in this short training video, I will show you how to create world-class animated videos that deliver spectacular results without any expensive software apps, camera equipment, technical skills, or freelancers, and charge over $2,000 or even $2,500 or more for every single video that you create. And I'm also going to give you a quick demo of our all-inclusive video creator technology, your encyclopedia for video creation. Any video for any purpose, topic, or niche is available inside one easy-to-use dashboard. No need to search for multiple video apps. This is the most time-consuming and important project that we've ever worked on, investing well over $450,000, almost $500,000 in development, cloud infrastructure costs, which we had to work alongside of Amazon for over 2 years, and animation team that we had to put together, a world-class team that have put together the most powerful and versatile video creation technology ever created, because you can now create every single type of video in existence and many new styles of animated videos that have never been seen or even attempted before. This is a first of its kind technology. What kind of videos can you create with VideoCreator? Well, you can create revolutionary motion tracking videos, big budget corporate style videos, pattern interrupt scroll stopper videos, profit boosting e-commerce and 3D product demos, first to market video flipbooks where you can convert any ebook or photos into eye-catching videos, futuristic 3D animation videos, local business videos featuring real human actors, immersive 360-degree animated videos, explainer videos, whiteboard videos, product presentations, 3D visual effects, e-commerce videos, video ads, social media, and the list goes on. Any other type of video that you can imagine. All you need to do is select from our world's largest library of hundreds of professional video templates from all the hottest and trending categories, and then customize with your images, videos, and text to render out spectacular animated videos in minutes with zero technical experience. Now you may be wondering, okay, that sounds great. Let's see what kind of videos can I create and how quickly can I create them. Okay, let's run through some, maybe like something like 10% of the type of videos that you can create with VideoCreator. First, we have the revolutionary motion tracking technology. Let me show you what that really means. Pretty powerful, right? So let me explain one more time what just happened there. As you can imagine, what happened there was, if you think about it, let's play it really quickly here. You can actually create powerful motion tracking videos just like what you see on my screen right now, where you can change the background, you can change different elements of that specific video. And here's the great part here. Every element is customizable. You can change the color, the background, you see on the floor. You can have everything be realistic, immersive, something where you just press a few buttons. It's as easy as writing an email where you want to put what, and automatically the application will do something called planar tracking and motion tracking. What this basically means is that even in a really complex video with a lot of things happening, you can actually recreate the environment similar to, let's say you're an architect or something, where people can visualize and you can put your ideas on the map. You can put your own background, you can do whatever you want really quickly. Now that's just the start. What if you want to create big budget corporate style videos? Now this is the type of video you probably see big brands like Grammarly, which is a billion-dollar company, or when you go on YouTube, you see companies like Upwork, Fiverr, companies like Wix, companies like Webflow, these big YouTube commercials that you see, right? And these big enterprises which are worth billions of dollars, they spend $25,000 to $35,000 for a simple 30-second video. Now, why would they do that? Because there's some high-end actual animations and other effects happening behind the scenes. We have cracked that code as well. Let me show you what I mean by a big budget commercial video. Pretty powerful, right? Imagine this. You can drop any video into this specific placeholders and it's going to do all the tracking, emotions, and all the other effects behind the scenes. You can change the backgrounds. You can actually add your own voiceovers, whether it's a text-to-speech voiceover or any other voiceover. You can add your own background music. You can add demos for applications. You can add images. You could add, for example, videos that your actual corporation or SaaS app has given you. You can add anything you want, anything that you desire in just a few clicks. And it's so easy to use, you'll be shocked, because to create a video like this normally would take several weeks. Well, you can create that in just, you guessed it, a couple of minutes. That's how fast we're talking about. Next, you can create professional looking, and yes, you guessed it right, professional looking videos such as pattern interrupt scroll stopper videos. So what these really are, right? Pattern interrupt scroll stopper videos are ones which can grab attention when people are actually browsing through social media. You know, right now we are in the attention economy. So if you want somebody to actually stop, pay attention to a video that you have, and then actually go in and check it out and get access to it, well, that's what we are talking about here. Let me show you how that looks like so you get a better idea here. As you can see here, these 3D effects is when somebody's actually scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, or some of these platforms, they will actually stop, they will pay attention, and then they will actually click and take action. This is proven actually to get clients cheaper traffic, faster traffic, and in many cases free traffic very quickly, and it beats many other types of videos. And the beauty is we've actually made it compliant with Facebook, Instagram, and all these platforms. That's why you don't see any likes, shares, or anything like that, which actually is one of the reasons that Facebook actually frowns upon. So we've actually run these as ads ourselves. We've actually spent money on this, and we know for a fact what you're seeing right here actually drives results. That's the great part of having us as mentors here, right? Because we actually spend our own money. In the last year and a half, I spent over $2 million, our company, in ads and in testing videos like this one. So we know we have $2 million worth of data where we know, okay, we spend this much money, so we know which works, what doesn't work. We've wasted a lot of money, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars potentially, where we wasted, if you will, in failures. So you don't have to do that. You know, whatever is in VideoCreator is proven to work, and that's what makes it so powerful. Now, next, I'm seeing some questions on this. Can I use this for e-commerce? Of course you can use it for e-commerce. Let me show you some examples of e-commerce videos that you can create it with. Now, this is just the start. Let's go to the next example here. Again, we can keep doing this in such a unique way. We had t-shirts, we have bottle droppers here, as you can see. We have, for example, creams. We have, for example, boxes that you can put your own labeling and actual logos in there. And the beauty for this one is it's hyper realistic. People have no idea. They'll think actually you sat in front of this actual supplement product, or maybe it's a physical product. Maybe it is, for example, whatever it might be. The cool thing is you can change elements, you can remove elements, you can add elements, and you can even add animations to this and change around, have it move in a 3D like fashion. Nothing has ever been done before that is this easy to use, that is this straightforward. You just drop something and it automatically takes over that actual animation and that logo. And that's just the start. I mean, you can go a step further. Let me show you other animations that you can utilize here in this case. So you can use it for different styles of animations like what you see on your screen right now. And I can keep going on and on here, but let me explain one more so I can show you how this e-commerce style of video works so that you can get better results. Check this out. This is an example of a wine bottle. We have stuff like this here. We have, for example, cans. We have, for example, where you can put beer on those cans, or you can put energy drinks, or you could put, as you can see, this wine, you can put a logo and it's going to be photorealistic. And you just have to drop your logo. It's going to automatically resize it. You don't have to worry about resizing the logo externally and all that stuff. And then the text, the animations, all that good stuff is handled. And you see here, right, all these three, well, all these four as well, you can add your own animations to that effect as well. Very, very powerful, as you can imagine, right? And on top of that, if that wasn't enough, we have something called first to market flipbooks. Okay, now this is phenomenal. You have to really see it to believe it, and it's gonna blow you away. As you can see right now on my screen, you can create animated video books and magazines and all that with just a few clicks. You can actually take any ebook and convert that into a magazine like this with animations, or an actual book with all the animations and all that stuff. You can add multiple pages, you could add your own assets and have that 3D effect come in as well, like a pop-up 3D effect like what you see on my screen right now. That is also available. So you have different ways of converting an existing ebook into a video book. As you know, ebooks are great, but you want to convert that into a video book to actually engage your audiences even further. You can convert those ebooks or photos or images that you have into animated videos. Again, nothing like this has ever been done before. In fact, to do something like this, you needed to hire like an expensive team to actually do the lighting, to do the animations, to do all this other stuff. And here, you don't have to ever do anything like that. It's all integrated into this one easy to use dashboard. And the cool part about this, and let me actually show you this one more time here so you understand how powerful this is you see how the rotation of that book and how you have different elements here that you can edit right from, for example, the price on that screen. You can change, for example, the color of the book, the text, the font. You can change, for example, the images. You can add your own effects, the background colors. You can add your own transparent background images and have those pop up. So let's say illustrations or photos. And we also have, I'm going to bring that in just a second, actual background removal feature built in, so you can bring in your own images and make those into transparent background images right out of the back with our AI system built in. So that means you don't have to remove the background separately if you don't know how to do it, or pay somebody how to do it, right? It's all integrated. Very, very powerful. You don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to make it possible. It's all integrated and it's all built in. Now, next, we have futuristic 3D animation videos. These are high, big budget animations across different industries, and also stuff that you would need a 3D animator or professional to animate and do. Well, you have those as well inbuilt. Now, these are 3D effects that would need a very big budget processing card, like a gaming PC or whatever, but you don't have to worry about all that. We do everything on the cloud. We are backed by Amazon's award-winning cloud infrastructure, the very best in the world, and we actually got into their own startup program recently, so we can leverage their insights, their brain, if you will, to create the most robust cloud technology in the world. Now, bar none. I mean, you're talking about big level corporations as well. So let me run through how this futuristic 3D animation technology and the type of videos you can create with it. pretty powerful. You can create high-end 3D animation videos just like what you see right now on my screen. And the cool part about this is that you don't need to hire a 3D animator. You don't have to be a 3D expert. You just change a few things. You can change every element here, such as text, logos. You can change everything, and it's fully customizable. Nothing like this has ever been done before, which makes it extraordinarily powerful, as you can imagine. And on top of that, what makes it really cool is you can also do 3D style effects, right? And that means something like this. For example, you could add, instead of liquor store here, you could add anything you want. For example, in the case of a restaurant, instead of saying Waverly Diner, you can change everything. So breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can even say specials for lunch only, or a special pricing for lunch, whatever. You can change that text to your heart's desire, and it's going to be picture perfect 3D, just like what you see on the screen. Just to put things in perspective, stuff like this, again, is next generation futuristic stuff. You cannot really create this in any application out there right now in just a couple of clicks, where you need to have multiple applications. You might need a Maya 3D type of 3D application. You might need Blender. You might need, for example, Adobe Premiere. You might need Final Cut Pro for Apple, or you might need like tons of different applications, plugins, and all the other stuff to make this happen. Here, you can just press a couple of buttons, just type in a couple of text, maybe put your logo in there, and boom, you're done. That's how easy it is. And I'll show you how easy it is to use in the application in just a bit. But you see the power of this, right? Next, we have local business videos featuring real human actors doing real stuff with complete customization. You can change their backgrounds, you can change different elements of it. Be prepared to be blown away, because again, nothing like this has ever been even attempted before. Forget about even doing it. It's so difficult to achieve. Now you get to do it again in just a couple of clicks. Let me show you how this works. You can create any type of video for any marketing goal, any purpose. Imagine you can use it to create leads for videos. You can use it to generate more sales, more appointments. As you can see here, you can have text messaging videos where two people are conversing, for local businesses where people are wearing different clothing. For example, they're wearing doctors, nurses, they're wearing hard hats for construction, architects. You're talking about chiropractors. You're talking about plastic surgeons, dentists. We have people from all walks of life, including business people, different diversity as well. And that's just the start. You can also put any objects into real thing, like for example, you can put any videos you created from other applications of our own, or any other video creation software that you have, any videos that you already have, like stock footage, and have it perfectly aligned like this with extremely good diversity of people showcasing this stuff. We've tested this stuff, and it's the best converting videos out there when it comes to actually putting it out there on social media, putting it out there on as an ad, maybe creating a video to generate sales for a business, not just a cool looking video, but actually a video designed to generate sales for a business. Nothing, again, is like this ever been done before, where you have people actually doing, and you can change the backgrounds here. You can change, for example, add logos wherever you want. You can put any video footage, any images, anything you want to make it phenomenally powerful. And the beauty here is that, again, because of unique they are, you're gonna stand out. There's not gonna be any saturation. There's nothing for you to learn, nothing for you to do. And because it's so difficult for other people to do without our technology, Video Creator, you have a head start over your competition. And that edge is what's gonna make all the difference in the world. We even went a step further, and we have these local business specific videos of people actually doing real activities like yoga. And we have people doing, for example, certain types of activities. And again, they're very diverse from different backgrounds, male, female, and that sort of thing. So for imagine yoga studio, people doing yoga poses. Then we have people actually consulting, maybe a client in the case of, say, a lawyer, accountant, and all this stuff. We have different industries for different purposes. Again, stuff that you would have to pay thousands of dollars for just one video to shoot, to edit, to do post-production. Well, you have all of that in this one place. Again, phenomenally powerful, all included into Video Creator in one place. I can keep going on and on. I mean, it's just incredible. This is what I just showed you is just like 10% of what you can create with Video Creator. But I just want to show you one final thing. Again, something revolutionary, never been done before, first to market. In fact, nobody has even attempted to do something like this because it's so creative and also very difficult to achieve. These are immersive 360-degree animation videos where you have that three-dimensional 360-degree feel to it, where when you watch it, you'll understand how powerful it is, how customizable it is, and how capable you are to edit any element from it. Imagine the power of customizing everything. You see those people dancing there? You have any green screen footage, you can put that there. We're going to remove the green screen automatically. You see that your logo here? You remove that, you can change every logo to whatever you desire. You see that background in the back where you have that restaurant image? You can put any image you want to create that 360-degree video. Again, nothing like this has ever been done before. So cool. Again, let me show you another example where you see this, right? Where you have a spokesperson or a human being, right? Real person actually watching this effect. So it's almost like a person-in-person effect, and that miniature effect is what drives incredible engagement and sales. And every element is customizable here. Okay, let me explain again. Those people dancing, you can put any green screen footage. It's your own green screen footage. You get it from a stock footage website or whatever. It's going to remove the background automatically. We have an artificial intelligence background removal video for a video, never been done before, so easily especially. Secondly, it tracks perfectly, meaning the resizing, all that stuff is done by our application automatically. You don't have to worry about resizing. Artificial intelligence does that. Thirdly, which is even better, the background is fully customizable. You can drop any background you want, and maybe you want to put an entrance to a local dentist store place, or you want to put it into a local shop, right? A mom and pop shop which sells maybe pens, dresses, or whatever it is. Or maybe you want to put it into something like a law firm, or maybe a chiropractor or an accountant, or whoever you want. You can put that effect, and it's just phenomenal. It's so powerful, so cool, so beautiful looking that it took us many months to do this, because you have to understand, to recreate something like this, even the world's best animator would say it'll take them several weeks to do. Here, we not only made it easy for you to create, but we created the most advanced animations ever created in history. So imagine how powerful it is, where you create this for clients or your own business. It's going to wow the audiences, wow your clients, and since nothing like this has ever been created before, your clients will be jumping in joy when they actually see it and pay you premium and top dollar for it. I'm going to be jumping into the application and give you an overview, but I'm seeing hundreds of you asking for the link to get in right away because you're so excited. Here's a special link. I'm going to come back to the app tutorial I'll be here because I want you to get in right now and skip all the hype and hoopla and get it right away. It is www.videocreator.io/NOW now. Okay, that's a special link only for this webinar. Nobody else gets access to it. It's not even available anywhere else. You can only get access to it right here, and you're going to be one of the first few people in the world who get access to it in this link, www.videocreator.io/NOW now. Okay, now I want to just give you the link right now because I know a lot of people are anxious to get in right away. I posted the link in the chat box as well to your right, so you can click on it and go there right now. That's the chat box where you've been posting your questions and all that stuff, and I want you to post that. I want you to check out that and also click on that link and go there, or you can even go to your browser and type in videocreator.io/NOW now. Okay, that's a special link only for this webinar. Nowhere else can you get access to it, and that is important that you get in right away. videocreator.io/now. Now let me go into the app demo in the meantime. So those who want to get in right away without any app demo, all that stuff, you can use this to go get in right away because I know you're super excited. But I also will do the app demo as well so that you can see it and understand how the application works. And of course, I have some cool prizes, bonuses, and all that stuff to be given away today to make it the best webinar you've ever attended, the most valuable webinar that you've ever attended. It's important because I don't do webinars like this often, maybe a couple of times a year or something like that. And that's why I want to make sure that something like this is going to be monumental for you, for your business, for your success. All right. Now, that's just the tip of the iceberg. I could be showing you there's hundreds of different styles, and just like this one, maybe what I cover is maybe 20-25% of what you can achieve. And now the beauty is I'm going to jump into the application and show you how easy it is, and then show you how you can get access to it today and get some awesome bonuses and prizes and all that stuff that I have for you in this great event, because I want to give this to your hands. It's cost over $250,000 just the development side alone, not including the server costs and other things, which will be another $200,000 over the next few months. So almost $500,000 went into this technology. So you can imagine that is how powerful it is and how excited we are to bring this into your hands and how you can take it to the next level using these and making it as easy as possible to use. As you can see here, I'm in the Video Creator application here. Super powerful application, as you can imagine. Now, don't let the amount of flexibility fool you. It's as the most easiest application we've ever built to use. That's how point click easy. You just click a few buttons and then you're good to go. So let me give you an example of what I mean by that. All right, so as you can see here, you're going to the application, you see all the templates right here, right? They're all in template format. So let me go into an example that I haven't gone through right now, right? So let's go to maybe an explainer video, right? So if you have a whole bunch of these whiteboard videos as well that you can utilize, again, you can click on it and you can preview it. So something like this, you can click on it and you can preview it like so, and then it's gonna play the video, how it's gonna look like and all that, and every element is customizable here, the text, the color, and everything else, as you can see on my screen right now. So in this case, it's a whiteboard video. Again, I wanted to show this to you because it's not an example I showed you, right? But again, I'll show you some of the other videos as well. Now click on this, use template, and here, let me walk you through some simple stuff. First of all, you have the audio here. So what I wanted to explain here when it comes to audio is it's very simple. You just upload any audio. You can upload a background music, or you can upload a voiceover right here by clicking on this audio button right here. Now, basically what we've done is, let's say you have the video length here. Let's say it's about 1 minute and 15 seconds long. You just upload a audio file. Let's say you uploaded 1 minute and 20 seconds. Automatically we crop the audio and we handle that syncing part and all that stuff for you automatically. No need for you to go figure out another application to do it. Next, if we go into the images section right here, all right, you see this image. Now the beauty with this one, you click on it, and then right here underneath, okay, you see this, right? Upload images. Now these are specific placeholders within this template. So if you double click on it, it's going to show you where those placeholders are. You see this? I have like the application here. If I click on it, it'll show you how this looks like, right, in the preview. And then it's going to show you where you can add, right? So for example, you see here, if I go back here, it says cool feature 1, 2, 3. You can change this text to anything you want. And I'll get to the color changing aspect as well in just a second. You have this images here. You can drop your images, your logos, your branding here. Super easy. And then you also have a logo image option right here, as you can see. And then you can drop your logo as well. Simple, right? Nothing really fancy. Although it says recommended pixel size and all that stuff in JPEG, PNG, we automatically shrink the image to fit the need. So you don't have to actually go in and do any kind of resizing of that image or all that stuff. The only exception, the reason why we have that, actually the message there, is so you don't upload some kind of a vertical image, right? Like a thin vertical image into an image placeholder that looks like this, right? Like a horizontal one, or if you will, a rectangular one, right? You don't want to put a triangular image or something here. But other than that, if you drop any image that is of rectangular shape or square or something, it'll automatically resize it and it's gonna be beautiful. We've done all this stuff behind the scenes because I know how frustrating it is to have to go open up another application and try to do the image editing and trying to resize it and all that. It's all done behind the scenes on autopilot. Very powerful. Now next we have the text option. Okay, now here's what I was telling you about with the text options and all that stuff. And if you see, before I get to that text, you see the back and next buttons. So at any point you can go back to any of the steps or even click on them, right? So if I want to go back to image, I can click on that image or audio and all that. I can navigate through the steps very easily. Here that you see right here, you see the text. This is where you can drop any text you want. You type it in. It's as easy as writing your email. So let's say if I wanted to do, for example, welcome to our real estate company. All right. Or let's say, welcome to our dental clinic. You can just type it in. And here's the beauty. A lot of businesses out there have their own branding, right? Imagine they have their own, for example, fonts or logo styles and color themes, right? We have something called fonts here. This is the biggest and best thing that is a hidden feature that nobody else will ever talk about because it's the hardest thing to do. But the finer details matter, right? You agree with me? Like having that attention to detail and doing the small things right, it matters. So this is the biggest fonts library in any video application in the planet right now. This is actually licensed stuff where we've actually licensed this for you so you can use it in commercial projects. Oftentimes you'll see certain fonts that other apps will sell you because they have to buy the licensing from other folks. They don't want to pay that, so they actually have you pay for it. Here you don't have to pay anything. We've already licensed it. We've already paid the money here, and you can change the font to your heart's desire. So let's say for this text, you wanted to use something like this, like Notable font or Nova Flat. Let's say you want to use Nova Flat. You select it, click Save, boom, you can change that font right out of the gate. And you can do that for all the text here as well to suit the needs of that particular business. And again, the text is super easy to edit. And then whatever you change will get applied into the application, right? Super straightforward, right? As you can see, everything is as easy as writing an email. Nothing really fancy for you to waste your time on and that sort of thing. Next, which is the most awesome thing in my opinion for these types of templates, is the color scheming. So what this is, right? You see how text highlight, text main color, and then we have background color. I wanted to explain what I mean by that. So text style, right? Let's go to the next one. I'll show you what I mean. It's this one right here. For this explainer video, as you can see here, the text here is red, and then we have black here, right? So you can change that red color to anything, and it's going to apply to the entire project. Meaning you don't have to go minimally and go in and like pretty much go in and say, okay, I'm going to go change the color here, here, here. How frustrating that is, right? Especially if you're creating a longer length explainer video, like a minute long, 30 seconds long or whatever. It's going to be much harder to go in and change everything. So if you change the color in one place in this color picker, it's going to change it across all the project, okay? Our AI does all that for you, meaning there's automation behind the scenes. And here's the better part. You can even change the background. You see how you say text main color, text highlight? We can actually even change the background color. So let's say this one, you don't want it to be a whiteboard explainer video. Maybe you want it to be, for example, maybe you don't want it to be like a whiteboard video. You want it to be, for example, a blue board video, a blueprint video, or a blackboard or whatever. You change the background, automatically it's going to change across everything in this project. Okay. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? Right? That way you can have like awesome explainer videos like this that you can create literally in just a few clicks. No need to do any finicky, for finicky stuff like editing things and trying to work on other elements and that sort of thing. The same way, if I go back to choose templates here, and there's explainer section right here, right? We have explainer videos as well, which are pretty complex in nature, like this one, for example. Let me play this and you'll understand what I mean by that. This is a realtor explainer video, right? Check this out. Again, all the animations are preset. You just have to change a few elements here and there, and then you can create a video just like this one. This is actually the easiest explainer video maker in the market right now. In fact, I think there's nothing like it ever created and probably ever will, because again, the thing is that to do this, you need to do it on the cloud, right? Because what happens is Amazon behind the scenes is providing us a lot of machine learning, artificial intelligence tools to make it possible where you change one thing, but in behind the scenes, it's changing 100 different things. You see my point? Using automations and all that stuff, which cannot be done in a desktop application ever. It cannot be done even with an application where there's no benefits of using Amazon having their beautiful technology, which is probably the most futuristic stuff. That's why Jeff Bezos became the richest person in the world, right? They have all this smart people working in their company. We've used all their technologies behind the scenes to make it happen. So now in this case, if I want to use this template, super easy. I can drop into, like you see how there's like media placeholders. I can drop my videos, my images, my logos, and all that stuff into these placeholders. And boom, I can change some text elements here, like visit our website, could be visit our store or whatever. And it's within this, you see this element right here in this animation in the computer that you see, it'll automatically change there. And again, of course, you can go into the text elements and change the text elements, change the fonts and all that stuff. Boom, ready to go, super easy to use. One other thing I'll show you real quick here is these 360-degree videos and these other videos that I have. So I'll explain to you real quickly. We have coronavirus, COVID-19 stuff because that, wearing masks and then, personal hygiene and all that stuff is very important these days for a lot of businesses. So you can use those and you can create these videos as well. We have e-commerce videos, as I mentioned before. We have fashion and style. We have live action videos like this one, for example, where you see this, you have a hand, and where you can put anything in that little animation here. You see that in that photo, for example. We have also, as you can see here, marketing commercials. These are the ones that I was telling you about, where you can create beautiful longer length explainer videos and high-end videos and all that stuff for your agency or for your business to grow your brand. Let's say you want to create an SEO agency video for you to sell your own agency or a video creation agency or social media agency. You change a couple of things, add your logo, and boom, it's a professional video done with all the voiceovers and all that good stuff. Same thing with the e-commerce videos here. Same thing with all these other video styles that are available here. Now, if you go into real estate, for example, you have a ton of these as well available here, and I can keep going on and on. We have health and wellness here, a big market right now, where you see all these skincare bombs and if you will, anything. Like in this case, you see this product right here, the skincare cream, you can put anything on that skincare cream product here. Okay, very powerful, as you can imagine. Okay, and the beauty is, because of the fact that you can do all this stuff and it's across different industries, it allows you to, again, you can, see this in different sizes and different dimensions and all this stuff, because I know one of the biggest requested ones was using it in different dimensions and all that. Again, you have these product mock-ups where you can put anything you want, your labeling and all that, and it's going to be picture perfect. So you don't even have to go in and take a photograph or something of that particular product. Here's an example of a more obscure one, like a sports bag, right? Very, very powerful, right? Simple sports bag, use it. Again, you can start profiting with it because you can brand it to your heart's desire. We have these motion tracking videos, as I was telling you about, which is the next high-end videos. Again, you can track it to your heart's desire. Again, the thing is that they're all in different categories for you to use, and there's tons and tons of them. You have neon videos here, right? Hundreds and hundreds of these. Then we have special event videos, like, for example, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Easter, Black Friday. You get my point, right? We have those, of course, and then we have these 360-degree videos I was telling you about, where you can come in and modify things. It's as simple as using this template, right? You want to put a background audio, voiceover, or something like that. You put images and videos, and you're good to go. But here's the thing, I can keep going on and on, right? Once you create the video, all you got to do is you can click the preview button, and it's going to generate a quick preview for you, and it's going to show you where you uploaded what. So meaning you want to see how your logo looks like here when imported, it's going to show you there. If you change any video here, it's going to show you how it's going to look like. But at the end of the day, the rendering is pretty quick for these videos anyway. So again, the world's fastest. That means about 15 to 30 minutes maximum, give or take, depending on, again, the type of video that you put in this. Obviously, if you put a very complex video here, then it's going to take longer to render, right? Because we have to do behind the scenes and analytics, machine learning, AI stuff to remove the green screen, to make sure that three-dimensional look is done, resizing that video to fit this particular example. All that stuff is being done, right? So the application does all the thinking behind the scenes. That's actually more time consuming than the actual rendering itself. That's what I wanted to explain here. Behind the scenes artificial intelligence stuff, like background removal on a video automatically when you put a green screen video, resizing that video to suit and this little box right here, for example, right? To resize it into these dimensions. Not easy. You try it in another application, you're going to lose the quality of that video. You're going to have to figure out the dimension, all that stuff. Making sure that the logo perfectly aligns itself like this. Making sure that the image is resized. All this thinking the application is doing behind the scenes so that you don't have to do any of that thinking. In fact, because of that, actually, that might be longer time than actually the rendering. We have the world's fastest rendering, but again, this machine learning stuff behind the scenes is what takes some time, right, for our application to do behind the scenes. And we're using Amazon's best award-winning cloud technologies to make this happen. They have artificial intelligence, machine learning, all that stuff built in. Now, one other thing that I wanted to show you specifically as well here is that once you've decided, right, like let's say you go in and you chose some stuff. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say we go back to that real estate video. Let's say as an example, I wanted to show you. Let's we click on this. We use this template right here like so. And let's say we uploaded our logo and media, right? And all you have to do really is once you've inserted this text, right, whatever, you just click on the proceed button. And then literally in the very next step, you can render that video. That's all it is. It's like a 3 to 4 steps. That's it. Again, depending on the template, some templates are 4 steps, some are 3. That doesn't matter. It's super easy. You just add your logo, your image, and you're good to go. One thing I wanted to mention as well, which is a really cool feature, is you click on that logo button. These are all the images, right? So we have the image library integrations that it's built in, like Pixabay, Pexels, and JumpStory. So let's say we wanted to do something to do with real estate. We want to get that image to put our brand and stuff. You see this? All these images, there are over, 7,000 pages worth of these images that you can add to your actual video. And we have automatic sensing in the application, meaning our application is intelligent. If you wanted to actually upload an image, it'll only show images from the gallery, right, that we've integrated with JumpStory, Pexels, Pixabay. Specifically, JumpStory alone, we spent a lot of money every single year to ensure that we get their licensed content because they have some really unique content and that sort of thing, right? Now, that nobody else can give because nobody in this market is going to spend tens of thousands of dollars every single year to get this kind of technology. Now, one beautiful thing here is, let's say if I click on any one of this real estate assets, right? Say let's something like this. I can actually remove the background automatically. We have background removal built in. That's a special bonus we're giving every single video creator customer. It's unlimited. No need to pay for credits for background removal, any of that stuff. You can even crop it. You can do some modifications like that, of course, and you can select it. Once you select it, it's going to automatically upload itself. Again, never been done before. This is artificial intelligence built into the application. That's such a simple feature, but behind the scenes, there's a lot of work being done, as you can imagine, right? Now, one other thing I want to show you is the video elements. These are all images, right? We have background removal. We have millions of potential royalty-free images. So you don't have to worry about the licensing requirements, all that stuff, right? Now, let's assume we picked one of these and that you're good to go. Next, we have media. Now, if this is videos, okay, let's say you want to drop videos, then you can search for videos as well. So let's say we have to go back to real estate again, right? That's our industry. Let's say we're doing it. Can be any industry, by the way. Now, these are actually videos where a video placeholder is. Does that make sense? Do you understand how powerful that is? Now let me go back here and show you one of the templates. It's going to show you actually how many placeholders there are, what they are. Is it video placeholder, text placeholder, and all that good stuff, right? So for example, in this case, this is for example, a video for an industry like a spine injury. I think it's for like a doctors, chiropractors. You get my point. So in this case, you have 4 video placeholders, right, for this particular template, like you see here, right? So let's say we use this one. It can be any template. I'm just showing you this as an example because that's video placeholders. So as you can see here, we have audio. We can put any voiceover, background music, and all that stuff, obviously. And you can go into images here, right? So you have a bunch of images here. As you can see here, you can upload your logo and all that stuff for that brand or business. Let's go to video. See, we have default placeholders here, right, for the videos. Now you want to change anything. Let's say you want to change this one right here. Automatically you can go in here and then we can go into, say, spine, and then you can put anything with back, right? You see the spine injury or whatever like that. It's going to show you all the videos like that. So let's say we can say back injury or whatever. You can type in all this stuff and you're going to find the videos for that. You see this human back and all that stuff. Same thing here, actually. If you want to do something to do with exercise, right, you can type in here. It's going to show you all the videos for that. You see something like this. Let's say you want to add this. You click on it. It's going to load this video up, and you have, again, as I said, hundreds of thousands of stock videos that you can utilize. Again, let me play this so you can see. Beautiful, high quality, right? High definition. Now, for you to buy this from stock footage websites like Shutterstock or say iStock or whatever, it's going to cost you $80 or something per actual video. We actually license this stuff for you so that you can actually not have to worry about paying all that money. See, little details like this, I have to actually stress on because it costs us a lot of money, and it's going to keep costing us a lot of money for many years to come. For you, it doesn't cost you a single penny. You get everything, right, included. Now, click on this, select, and boom, you see that right here. Beautiful, right? This gets added here. Same thing you can do across the board for a video. So you have images, which has background removal and all that good stuff. Then you have videos as well, stock footage, and it's intelligent enough to know if there's a video placeholder to only give you video suggestions, so you're not confused and that sort of thing. So I can keep going on and on. So once you've decided everything is good, you change the color, the text and everything, you just click on the proceed button in the bottom and start rendering out. And then automatically we have a progress bar in place. So this is how it works, right? You have all this stuff included, then just click on proceed button, boom, and it's going to automatically send you an email notification after the video renders. You can select that. So it's going to email you to your email address, right? Once you've, wanted it to do, then you click on proceed button, boom, and you see this, right? We have an automatic system that shows the progress of that video, which took us a long time to crack because every video is different how long it takes to render, right? So beautiful, right? Again, it's going to show you how long, so you don't have to sit and wait for this video to be. So we have an automatic queue system, so automatically it's going to go through and it's going to show you the progress. Generally speaking, we are rendering hundreds and hundreds of videos at the same time. So in this case, since there are like tons of video placeholders, it's going to be a longer video to render. But if it's a video which is just 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds long, super easy without any video placeholders and stuff, it's going to be super rapid fast, okay? But again, since it's going to be sent to your email, it doesn't even really matter. You don't even have to wait and sit and wait there. It's going to email you whenever it's done, or it's going to show you the progress bar there that you can check at your heart's desire, okay? So as you can see here, this is VideoCreator in a nutshell. All the features you ever wanted is in one place. It's not even like we're going to come up with those features. They're all here, right? Making it the best application that we've ever built, and more importantly, the most powerful and significant video creation technology we've ever built. Because see, it solves a lot of your problems, not just relying on one type of video. You can create all types of videos in any industries that you see right here, making it the most powerful thing that's ever been built and the most flexible thing that's ever been built, okay? So now, Let's also talk about some bonuses that you're getting today, right? If you get access to it, I'll give you the link in just a bit. All right. So again, you're going to get the commercial license, which means you can create unlimited videos and sell unlimited videos to unlimited clients, right? And you can also, you have unlimited video renders forever. That means you can create unlimited videos without restrictions on paying a monthly fee or something like that. You have unlimited background removal for your images, which costs us every image that you remove the background on. And even for videos, right, where you're having those green screen videos that you're removing the background on, we actually pay a lot of money for that actual background removal features because there's artificial intelligence built in on there, right? Well, you don't have to pay a single penny. It's unlimited included. And you have the huge font library. Again, it says 197 value, but we paid thousands of dollars to integrate them in, and it's so difficult to integrate. But let's just say it's 197 bucks for the sake of argument. But this is also included. No other application has this kind of font library ever built, which is going to allow you to keep the branding included, right? And as with everything, it comes with a 30-day rock solid, no question asked money back guarantee. For any reason, no reason at all, it's not for you. You get every single penny back, okay? Because at the end of the day, I want you to use it, take advantage of it, and pay for the profits that you generate thereafter, because you pay once and you can get lifetime access to this forever, right? And we've been in this business for 14 years, so we're going to keep updating it for many, many years to come. And there is more. You also get unlimited cloud hosting and storage for all the videos and everything that you create. And these are all in Amazon's award-winning cloud infrastructure, the same ones used by every single probably big Fortune 500 company that you know of, right? Say like McDonald's or if you will, Walmart, and all these other businesses use this, right? If you can imagine, some of the biggest brands out there use this for their businesses. So how much, right? How much are we talking about here? So you see, look, similar technology like this maybe does what 10% of VideoCreator does, maybe just explainer videos, maybe just whiteboard, maybe just, for example, scroll stoppers, maybe just, for example, that 3D animation style videos, or maybe just e-commerce videos or product promo videos. Just one of those things, and they're charging $97 per month with many limitations. Here, you have everything you need in one place, right? And even if you were to hire a professional, right? And to do just some of the things that VideoCreator does manually, it's going to take them several weeks, first of all, at least a couple of weeks, because I know I've hired people to do this stuff, to create these templates themselves. It took them weeks to create the templates to make it easy as possible. And they'll charge you at least $500 per video. In the cases of those corporate videos we're talking about, $2,000, $2,500 is a regular price for corporate explainer videos and all that, which is super high end, because those are very difficult to do. And there's a huge demand for it from startups, Kickstarter campaigns, from big companies, medium-sized companies, mom and pop businesses, social media companies, where an e-commerce business wants to manage their social media right now. All these businesses, they need this. Well, you have that handled for you right now. And the good news is you don't have to pay anywhere close to that. You don't have to pay any monthly fee, a yearly fee, and all that stuff. Now, let me simply put it out this way, okay? So you understand. This is the most important application we've ever built, the most useful application we've ever built for you for your video creation efforts. So I wanted to put it in everybody's hands, right? Now, I'm going to be showing you a special deal what you're doing, because you're going to get the lowest possible price and some extra bonuses that I have for you just for being on this webinar as well. So I'll go through that. But I also have 20 free copies of this technology that I will be announcing as well, where all you have to do, right, to be fair, because many people referred you on this webinar, and they spend a lot of money, time, and effort to refer you to this webinar. To be fair to them as well, to be fair to people who referred you here or who brought you on this webinar, I want to actually reward them as well. So what I'm going to do is very simple. You actually get in the next few minutes, okay, next 15 minutes or so, you get in, and then, I'll give you the link in just a second. Randomly, I'm going to pick 20 people from people who got in, right? I'm just, because I already have your details, you're already on this webinar and all that good stuff. And once you've gotten in, you just have to, post a transaction ID, all right? And then I will actually have my team just randomly pick somebody, those 20 people, and I'll announce them live on this webinar, okay? Is that cool? So that means you'll have 20 different chances to win. And again, I'll PayPal that to your PayPal ID, because I already have your details, and I'll announce it in our Facebook group as well, so you know that you're one of the winners. And that means that you get it for free. I'll pay it out of my own pocket, because again, to be fair, some people referred you to this webinar, so I want to give back to them. So basically, effectively becomes free for you for 20 people here, okay? So here's a link specifically for this webinar, our early bird special webinar, which is probably never going to be repeated again, this kind of pricing especially. And you can get this all for not $200, not $97, not even 67 bucks, which is the most fair price for this. You can get this for just less than $50 one-time payment. Yes, you heard that right. You get the VideoCreator right now on that link, you can either go and type it into your browser, or since you're watching this in video format, click on the button right below this video and you get immediate instant access to everything with unlimited video renders and everything else included for just a one-time payment, forever access with no monthly fees, no yearly fees, none of that shenanigans. You get it right now. You get it now, you use it forever. And that's the beautiful part. You go in, click the button below right now. You either go to the link on the page or on this actual video, or you click on the link right below this video and go there right now, okay? This is a limited time special we are doing as an early bird special. It's more like our Kickstarter campaign, if you will, where we're trying to raise some money for all our development costs and all our actual infrastructure costs and all that stuff all in. If you look at our support costs, infrastructure costs, our actual development costs, or animation team which did all these templates, all in, this is almost close to a $500,000 project, almost $450,000 project that we're investing in. So everything that you help us out with will actually help us actually improve things better, and it's going to allow us to break even. And then later on, whoever pays a monthly fee, maybe a few months down the line or after this special deal is done, they will help us actually generate some profit. What you're helping us do right now is to actually break even and help us actually keep updating this app forever. I've been in this business 14 years now. I'll be here for a decade or more, obviously. So whatever you're getting access to, you can be proud of using for many, many years to come. Okay. Again, click on the link below or the button below, right below this video. You'll get immediate instant access to VideoCreator at the special price at just one-time payment of less than $50. Why less than $50? Not a specific price, because the price is increasing every few hours, so I cannot really tell you exact price. So whatever you get it right now will be the lowest possible price you'll ever get it, because the price is increasing as we speak. We're going to raise it up to $67 very soon, probably a few hours from now, if you will. And then thereafter, we're going to raise it into a monthly subscription. So you want to get in right now at the lowest possible price. This is it. Okay, you got to go there, click on the link below or the button below, and you should be getting access right away. Now, for the payment options, we have PayPal, and we also take in credit cards. So you have two options in the checkout page. If PayPal doesn't work out for you, try out the checkout with credit card option. A green button will be there right there. You use that option, and then you should be good to go either or. And if you have any issues and anything like that, just email our support team there. And I have some special bonuses as well, by the way, to make sure that you get great value out of being in this webinar, okay? So one of the big questions that comes in is, are there any upgrades or anything like that to take advantage of, and also basically to benefit from VideoCreator? Are there anything? Well, I'm just going to be transparent with you. Okay, yes, there are upgrades, but they're designed to help you get better results. Now, what we've done, okay, I'll give you a simple summary of the upgrades right now, and then I'll show you some special upgrade only bonuses that you get access to. First of all, we have the deluxe upgrade, which gives you 200 brand new templates added into your account right away that you can activate, plus 20 actual templates added into your account for 1 full year. That's over another 200 plus templates. So more than 450 plus templates you get access to over the next few months, 200 instantly. Now, this is actually where our animation team does actually these high-end templates, 3D animation templates, you name it, we have it. Whiteboard, explainer, all this stuff. It costs us about $1,000 to create each template, simply because the animation team has to actually create the template, then you have to add specific customization elements to it. Then we should have our developers sit with our animation team and put it into application to make it super easy to use. That's why it's actually so expensive. So you're getting templates worth hundreds of thousands of dollars if you were to actually get it done yourself by a professional, a freelancer, video production expert, animator, and that sort of thing. You're going to be getting access to. And again, that's a one-time payment, no monthly fees or any of that mumbo jumbo stuff. Thereafter, again, we did not really put any other restrictions in the application other than that. What we did is bring in our best ever products, which are our flagship products as well, which we're releasing in the future with no upgrades or shenanigans. You get access to them right away. For instance, all the details for those upgrades as well, I left the link right below this video as well, so you can click on them and go there and you'll see all that information. But we're including our Camtasia style video screen share, video creator, webcam recorder, and video editing platform. You get that as well for a small one-time payment, no monthly fees, no yearly fees, no upgrades or anything. Everything is all inclusive on that. We also included, for example, our voice suite application, which is the world's largest collection of text-to-speech voices that you can render right away. Again, for a small one-time payment, no upgrades, no funnel, all that shenanigans. You get access to all of that for a low one-time payment. And we've also included our high-end video player technology, where you can add some elements to the video player and also get any video you wish and have them not have to worry about ads on those videos, not have to worry about paying extra fees for hosting for a video and all that stuff, so that you can actually download the videos that you create in Video Creator and use our video player technology, which is perfectly compatible with mobile devices and all this good stuff. And you can use that right away, okay? So you can actually use and embed these videos for your clients and for your own business without having to pay any hosting fees extra or any monthly fees or anything like that. Again, that also comes with a very low one-time payment. It's shockingly low. We're actually giving them at cost to you, meaning, again, this is for our launch special so that we give you all the value you need. You don't have to go in and buy a Vimeo subscription, a premium subscription for $29, or a Wistia subscription, for example, for video hosting. You don't have to go and get a Camtasia style video editor to merge multiple videos, create longer length videos and that sort of thing. You don't have to go in and get some text-to-speech technology and pay monthly fees, or create voice creation fees, or hire a freelancer to do so. We're including them all here, again, without like some extensive funnel or anything like that, or some upgrades. All of them include all the updates, upgrades, and everything else. Okay, that's the beauty here. Okay, you'll see all the details right below where you can click on and go there, get all the information and everything else. It's fully transparent. But to incentivize you, okay, to get all the upgrades, because they're super cheap and all one-time payment, we're going to raise those prices very soon and make some of them monthly subscriptions. But for you, you're going to be grandfathered in forever when you get them today. Again, beautiful part is that I'm giving you some extra additional bonuses that nobody else gets access to, only for the folks who are watching this webinar, nobody else. Okay, and those bonuses, all you have to do is get all the upgrades, and then I'm gonna hand over those bonuses. You should be getting instant access to them if you got those bonuses, and forward your receipt to bonus@videocreator.io, the email that you see there, and you should be getting our team to help you out get that access right away. Now, here's the key part here. These bonuses will be given to you regardless. Once you went all in, you got all the upgrades, and you didn't like one of the upgrades, or you didn't like all of the upgrades and you left, you got every single penny back. Even with Video Creator, I'll let you keep those bonuses, just so you understand. The bonuses are worth a lot more than what you're getting access to today. Thousands and thousands of dollars worth easily. And I'm going to be giving you those bonuses regardless whether you decide to stick around with Video Creator. It's not for you. You didn't get the results you want for any reason, no reason at all. You leave, you got every single penny back, right? No questions asked for 30 full days for every single upgrade, as well as with Video Creator. I'm going to actually personally make sure that you get access to these bonuses regardless. Okay, my way of saying thank you, because I know you're going to get great success with Video Creator. There's no question about it. The only question here is, okay, how much mentorship, coaching, and other software tools we can give you as bonuses to push you to reach your goals faster than ever before at record speed. Okay, so let me run through those all-in bonuses, as we like to call them, which is where you go and get all the upgrades, which are super cheap, by the way, all one-time payment, as I mentioned. And if you get all of them, I'm going to give you these bonuses immediately after you email us at bonus@videocreator.io. Okay, nothing like this is out there, and I'm personally spent several weeks creating these bonuses, so you get instant access to these that I spent so much time putting this together, several weeks, and in some cases even many months, and you get access to those. Some future releases of ours as well are included in that bonus pack, so watch out for that. And no affiliate, nobody else will be able to give this, because these were created by myself and my team specifically for Video Creator customers. Okay, so even if you got Video Creator already and you didn't get any of the upgrades, you can actually email our team after you get them, and we'll be happy to provide you these special bonuses as well, which are worth thousands of dollars. Okay, keep what you like, the upgrades, and get rid of what you don't like. It's as simple as that. Now let me show you those upgrade all-in only bonuses once you get everything inside Video Creator. Don't worry. All right, now you're going to be getting access to first upgrade for buying all the upgrades, right? The first bonus. Okay, again, you don't have to pay any extra money for this. You're going to get this bonus. Again, I'm going to give it to you in the next 24 to 48 hours or so, slightly more depending on how long it's going to take me to upload all this. But you're going to get premium local business green screen footage, right? You know how I showed you, for example, all the kind of local business stuff that you could do. We're going to give you a premium library of these local business green screen footage that we paid, and we got like a big budget camera crew to shoot, and we have diverse ones. We have African Americans, Asians, Latinos, Arab people, and people from around the world, right? To suit your needs, like doctors, lawyers, accountants, and this is one of the examples I showed you. Now, the beauty of green screen footage is you can upload this stuff into any of our videos, like those 3D immersive videos I showed you, where you can have these automatically removed, the backgrounds for this, right? Because we have that background removal, video background removal technology built into this, which is extraordinarily powerful. Second thing, right? which is even more powerful than anything else you can imagine, right? You also have the ability, right, where we're going to give you this footage where you have the ability to create it for your commercial projects, which is very important because we had to spend tens of thousands of dollars, okay? We had to sign contracts with companies which provide this content, and you don't have to pay 80 bucks per video or whatever like this. You're gonna get a nice library of content here that you can utilize and integrate into VideoCreator or whatever video projects that you have. Tomorrow, let's say a doctor, dentist, chiropractor gives you can use this content, including VideoCreator, and use this stuff. And it costs us, as I said, tens of thousands of dollars. I'm gonna give you this as a special bonus just for, again, just for getting all the upgrades, okay? It's never going to be offered again because it costs us a lot of money and we're restricted to only give certain licenses. So I'm only giving it to you for the folks in live webinar. Nobody else, including other video creator customers, will get access to it, okay? Now, if that wasn't enough, you buy all the upgrades, okay? I'll give you the links to get the upgrades as well in the chat box in just a second, but you go through the funnel where you go in, where you get the app, you're gonna be directed to the upgrades. You buy all of them. Again, as I said, they're super cheap, not that expensive at all, no monthly fees, any of that stuff, no yearly fees or anything. You get everything for one-time payment for lifetime access. The second one, again, if you get all the upgrades, and I'll go through the upgrades in just a bit, okay? Don't worry, I'll go through each one of them. You're gonna also get the special bonus, which is, if you buy all the upgrades, premium on-demand professional voiceovers and template service, okay? We're gonna give you hundreds and hundreds of voiceovers, and the beauty here is that we're gonna get a professional voiceover artist created, and also we are gonna go live streaming on our Facebook group and that sort of thing. So if you have any requests and that we can see, for example, that it suits us, we will create that template based on your demand and that sort of thing. Now, this is very powerful because this is unique to your needs and that sort of thing, and because of the voiceovers, which cost us hundreds of dollars for each voiceover because it's a professional doing it, and having that template created as well for your needs, this is powerful because it's an ongoing thing, right? It's not something we just do it once or so on. Every time we go live and go demo the application, train you on how to use it in our Facebook and other webinars that we do for you in our group and all that stuff, what's going to happen is that you're going to get access to our Facebook group for free, right? As a part of VideoCreator, as being a VideoCreator customer. Now, the next thing that is even more powerful and even better is that you're going to get the ability, hear me out here, you're going to get the ability to, you got it, right? You have the ability to also use these templates for your own business. Let's say you want educational templates. Maybe you're in the plumbing industry and you want something created or voiceover done. We have expert voiceover artists and that sort of thing who are going to create it. And this is easily worth 3,000 bucks. In fact, it's more than that, but I'm just going to put some price to it, but it's going to cost us a lot of money. But this is a service for you that's going to allow you to succeed, allow you to grow more. And I'm going to show you how to get access to the service and all that stuff in our live streams that we're going to do from very, very soon to train you and all that stuff. So don't worry, we'll help you out every step of the way. Now, the other bonus that you're going to be getting access to is the ability to sell your digital products and services and even your own agency services and all that stuff on top of Google for free, okay? There is actually a secret way you could utilize Google, right? Google stuff, okay? And this is another thing I want to mention here. You can use a secret way to get featured in your locality. Let's say you want to be a digital agency, digital marketing, SEO agency, video creation agency, and all that stuff, and you want to be featured on top. Like if somebody's searching for video creation agency, Toronto, Canada, you should be in the top list. So we're going to show you how to do this. It's a top secret strategy and it's phenomenally powerful. Those who've used it have succeeded and made a lot of money doing it. The basic strategy for this one is something like this, right? When somebody searches for, say, video agency Florida or some specific city, we're going to help you and we're going to tell you what cities are easy to rank and all that stuff, because ultimately you can create videos from anywhere in the world, right? And we're going to train you on it. And you see this, right? How we have this agency right here to your right, how this one came in on the top, similar to this, okay? We're gonna help you out, be up here. There are certain things you need to do. You gotta get some reviews and all that stuff. We're gonna help you with those reviews and all that stuff. We're gonna give you this bonus so that you have all the traffic you'll ever need in your locality, in your location, whatever city. We recommend it certain cities because some of them might be taken, but we know which ones are not, which ones you can get top rankings on. And you imagine this, right? If you do this, how easy it is to get traffic, right? Because those who are in the top listings of Google, right? Like in here, like when you type in and you're in the top listing on Google, like what you see here, well, that means you're going to get all the leads, all the clients and that sort of thing. We're going to teach you how to do this exact process, just like how this company did it, okay? We're going to teach you the exact same strategy because they hired an agency for sure to do it. We're going to show you this exact strategy to also be able to do that. You don't have to worry about SEO, backlinking, website beautification or something like that to make it happen. There's a specific way to do it. We're going to teach you how to do this, all right? And on top of that, if that wasn't enough as well, we're going to give you a top secret YouTube traffic getting methodology and strategies as well, and the training and mentorship on it, which is the most powerful way and the fastest way to get free traffic with YouTube right now. So the way this works, right, you got to buy all the upgrades to get this as well. We're going to teach you how to do this. It's going to be a specialized training and workshop we're going to show you. It's very easy to do, but you need to follow some principles. And again, we don't want it to get saturated, so only some people will get all the upgrades today. And if you get all the upgrades, you're going to get access to it guaranteed, right? And what this is basically uses something called YouTube highlights. And it's something that they introduced recently. It's one of those opportunity pockets where it's so unsaturated that those who are doing it are getting incredible free traffic super quickly with YouTube. Again, you could do the same thing right now and get incredible results doing this. Super powerful, super extraordinary. And I am so excited to give this to you because it's such a brand new thing. We are using this and getting traffic within a few hours from YouTube because YouTube is featuring us in certain places in their homepage and in certain areas within their website. And this is a new thing that they've introduced. So those who are first movers will get advantage of it. We're going to give you the training on this and we're going to help you every step of the way. Okay. The next thing is you're also going to get a done for you agency website to grow your video marketing agency if you're doing it for clients, or even use this website for acquiring clients, acquiring leads and all that stuff, right? And just one client is going to make more than $2,000 or more, right? And you're going to actually also get 21 days of video mentorship training. This is the most powerful thing that anybody can ever do, okay? We're not going to leave you high and dry where you're just going to go in and say, okay, watch our bunch of our tutorials, bye-bye, we're going to move on to a next product or whatever. This is 21 days focused every single day, okay? Starting from a couple of days from now, where every single day we're going to go live in our Facebook group, answer any questions that you have, show you specific ways to profit. How do you get a client to pay you $2,000 or more per video? What are the videos you need to create? How do you get specific clients who will pay a monthly fee of $800 or more per month for you to just create maybe a video a week or something like that for them? It's going to take you maybe 10 minutes of your time, meaning for a total of 30 minutes to 40 minutes a month, you can generate $800 or more per month for one client, a minimum, okay? It can be a lot more than that. We're going to show you strategies like this, not just for client generation for an agency, but also to grow your own e-commerce business if you have one. Your own business, let's say you're selling services, like you're a real estate agent, dentist, chiropractor yourself. You want to grow it, generate more leads yourself with videos. We're going to help you out with that. It's going to work both ways. We're going to cover both topics, and we're the very best in the world on this. We're on the top of our game on this. We're the very best in training on this because we have 14 years of experience. That's just me. My team combined have well over 100 years of experience because we have people who started 20 years ago, for example, in our team, 18 years ago and all that stuff. We're going to teach you what are the trends, what to follow and all that good stuff as well. Plus, you're going to get my Skype one-on-one mentorship group access. This was reserved only for my best big ticket clients, high ticket clients, and coaching program members. I'm going to give you access to this for a limited time. This way you can interact, learn, network with like-minded entrepreneurs, and we have special gifts we give away, bonuses we give away here, and all that good stuff here, and you're going to get access to that. And also you're going to get access to, here we go, our brand new technology, which we recently updated called VidCompass. Now, VidCompass is something really, really cool, by the way, right? What it does really, VidCompass, is that it allows you to translate your videos for page 1 rankings worldwide, okay? We recently updated it. It's phenomenal. So what means that if somebody's searching from Mexico and they're Spanish-speaking country, right? And they're searching, let's say, in Spanish to maybe solve how to reduce back pain, for example, or how do you find a chiropractor to solve their issue, or maybe how to sell on e-commerce, or whatever the niche might be. You get my point, right? Then your videos that you create with VideoCreator and get it on YouTube, it'll automatically translate it for that person in that country. So the text, the keywords, the body, the title, all that stuff is converted for those users. And it's going to keep that English one for English users, by the way, okay? This is important. That means you can get traffic from worldwide audiences who might not speak your language. This can be Japanese, Spanish, it could be Italian, German, whatever. You get my point, right? It's very, very powerful. And on top of that, you also get the VidRank engine. This is a secret tool we've updated recently. Again, you get the latest version for it. You don't have to pay a single penny. You buy all the upgrades, you can get access to this. This is the most powerful video ranking tool for YouTube out there. What this does is it gives you hidden keywords of successful YouTube videos that they don't reveal at all. We actually find out behind the scenes. So you just copy these keywords and hashtags, if you will, our tags, if you will, and then you're going to get rankings just as the best videos out there. You've noticed it, right? Some videos they uploaded a month ago and they get 1 million views. Some videos they've uploaded 4 years ago and they got like 20 views. Why? The tags. Tags do matter. And we're going to tell you what those tags are. This application will allow you to do it. Super easy, very easy to use, and you can start profiting with it. You also get access to the video thumbnail maker. So we want to create professional looking video thumbnails to post on YouTube, social media, wherever you want. Well, you can use this application to create those beautiful thumbnails. You get unlimited lifetime access to this. You can create as many thumbnails as you wish. You also get access to our viral meme generator, which generates viral memes and is designed to get traffic very quickly for free. You're going to get access to this as well. And if that wasn't enough, you're also going to get access to our VideoCreator successful case studies. This is where we're going to jump into case studies of what we've done, the most successful campaigns we've ever run. I'll actually show you specifically. This is the campaign I ran. I made this much amount of money. Like, for example, just a few of the campaigns. One of the campaigns we ran did $100,000 in sales in about 1 month with one video that we ran. Okay, what did that video do? We're gonna jump into that case study and show you, because again, as I said, we do this stuff day in and day out, so you're gonna get that, and we're gonna go into step-by-step case studies like this. And again, we're gonna answer any questions as well live on these case studies, by the way. Okay, so that if not only it's gonna be training, but it's also gonna be specifically answering your questions and that sort of thing. So it's interactive both ways, right? You're also gonna get royalty-free music tracks, which is very powerful, right? Where you can import these music tracks into VideoCreator to add background music, background score, and all that good stuff, right? And also you're gonna get access to call to action human voiceovers as well. So you can use this for buy now, take action right away, book an appointment right away, stuff like that, right? Professional ones, where you can utilize this. You can upload this into VideoCreator as well, or you can merge it into another voiceover of yours, up to you. You can use it in different ways, right? This costs a lot of money to develop for professionals. You can get that access to this as well right away. And on top of that, this is something we did recently. You're gonna get access to my WhatsApp group where you're actually sharing some stuff. See, for example, I get an idea, right? Instead of creating a video, notifying you, emailing you and all that stuff, in this WhatsApp group, there's no chat, there's no, like all kinds of interaction, all that stuff, which might, like our Skype group sometimes, right? We can have tons of messages there and so on. So you just want the best strategy that Paul is using or my team is using to get real great results. Like, for example, just yesterday, we figured out, for example, that YouTube highlights system that you're getting as bonus. Just like that, we have many different strategies to get free traffic, free leads, free customers, big ticket clients, where you just follow along, takes 5 minutes, and then you're going to get great results. Where in that, I just take my mobile phone and I'm going to share it with you, right? And I'm going to send it to you on your WhatsApp messenger. So you're going to see it. All you're going to get is great strategies every day, right? Once a day or so. There's going to be nothing to promote, no selling, no affiliate offers or anything like that, no shenanigans. And you only fresh ideas, what new trends are happening from Google, what new trends, like I showed you the Google ranking strategy, right? Where you can get top rankings for your agency. When somebody searches video creation agency, Toronto, Canada, or specifically video creation agency, Calgary, Canada, or video creation agency, Milan, Italy, or I'm just saying the capital cities, but you can go into deeper, right? And that sort of thing. Well, those types of strategies, we're going to share it with you in this WhatsApp group. And it's instant. It's going to take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes every day. You're going to keep updated with the latest trends, what's happening. So there's no distractions. You don't have to go through 100 different websites to find that golden nuggets, right? You're going to get that right here, whatever we are doing and so on. And my businesses right now are making anywhere between $50,000 to $20,000 a day on average right now. So obviously I can teach you a lot of stuff, right? Whatever is working in my business. And most importantly, the mistakes that I'm making, so you don't repeat them as well. So you're going to get access to this group. Again, this is our gift to you so that you can keep succeeding. You don't have to buy other courses to be on top of the latest trends and all that stuff. It's awesome, and you're going to get access to this as well right away, because people love this. People are a part of our WhatsApp group, small amount of people, not many actually right now. You get access to that same level of high-level mentorship and strategies in bite-sized nuggets, so it doesn't take you 30 hours worth of video tutorials to do. It's going to take you 5 minutes to read it, implement it, and succeed with it. Or watch a 10-minute video that we created right away on your mobile phone and start implementing it and succeeding. You can do it every morning when you wake up, have a cup of coffee, for example, and you should be good to go. Plus, you're also going to get one-on-one weekly office hours mentorship. We've been doing this for the last couple of years, and if you're not part of this already, this is the best thing that you can do, okay? This is where you can have accountability buddies. You have Mondays and Fridays, we do these office hours training covering different aspects, how to build a business of your own to generate traffic and sales passively, how to, for example, build a successful agency, where do you get the clients? We'll actually answer any questions that you have. We'll actually have people just like you coming on the call and explain what's working for them, right? In a webinar format, just like this one, but very, very close-knit community. You can come in and have your voice and you can say, hey, I have a question. Can you please answer my question? We can do that. You can ask any questions, interact with us and all that. You got to buy all the upgrades to get access to it, by the way, right? And finally, you're going to get my online entrepreneur platform, which is the version 2.0. We actually updated this very recently. This platform is one of our flagship platforms. You're going to get unlimited web hosting, unlimited drag and drop funnel builder, unlimited membership sites that you can build it, unlimited checkout pages, unlimited storage, right? You can bring in your domains if you wish, although give us some time to do that, right? I mean, we cannot really do it right away if that is the case, but if it is, you want to use our own subdomains, it's just a few minutes, but it has some of the greatest features. Imagine membership sites, checkout pages, SSL certificates are included, you have corporate emails included, you have support at yourdomain.com, for example, or Melissa at yourdomain.com or whatever. You want to build your agency website, you can do it. You want to build e-commerce websites for clients, you can do it. You want to sell website services or hosting services, you can do it with this platform. The most powerful platform out there. It's our flagship platform. We're actually going to be releasing this as a monthly subscription very soon, $97 a month minimum, just like ClickFunnels, because it can do a lot more than just funnels. It can do membership sites, checkout pages, digital product websites. It has over 300 plus templates in different industries. Like you want to build a restaurant website, full-fledged website, multiple pages, contact us pages, Google Maps, all that stuff. You can do it with this platform. Again, I can go into detail on this, but I want to keep it top secret because actually people are spending a lot of money with this technology right now. So, I want to keep it hush hush, but you're going to get this again for a limited time. And I reserve the right to remove this bonus at any time. But if you get this right now on this webinar, you're going to be guaranteed to get this bonus. Again, you got to buy all the upgrades to get access to it. You have to. There's no other way around it. You got to get all the upgrades to get access to this special bonus. Okay. Now, one important thing, okay? I hereby guarantee this, okay? And why you should be getting this bonuses right now. I hereby guarantee that these exclusive bonuses will only be available in this live webinar and will not be available anywhere else, okay? And I also hereby guarantee that the apps and done for you bonuses will not be launched until November 2021, later this year, which gives you a head start over everybody else and gives you an unfair advantage, including me, because I'm not selling these applications. So you can get first dips on it, take advantage of it, and get it for free as well. And here's the most important part. You can keep the bonuses and the licenses even if you decide VideoCreator is not for you and wish to take a full, no questions asked refund, 30 days guaranteed, right? It's my way of thanking you for taking action. Let me repeat that again. You can keep all these bonuses even if you decide VideoCreator is not for you and get every single penny back. These bonuses alone, just the web hosting, for example, on that online entrepreneur platform, just for example, where you're getting access to tag systems to get traffic from YouTube, Google, top rankings on Google, right? For your agency and for your services, or for example, getting the footage, right? The actual local business footage, right, of real people doing real things that we've shot or licensed from real photographers and videographers. This kind of stuff, you can keep those bonuses even if this is not for you, because I know this is the best thing that you've ever made. The best investment you ever made is the best quality and price that you've ever made as well. So because of that, I want to make sure that you also to push you to the finish line, because I know, for example, that these bonuses will help you 10x or even increase your profits by 100 times more. But for that, I need you to commit to this, right? That's why I'm making it as easy as possible and making it as simple as possible to get all these bonuses. And I just want you to understand, just the bonuses alone cost me tens of thousands of dollars to put together. And I could say almost $40,000-$50,000 last I checked. But money is not the most important objective. It's to give you as much value as possible, so you have basically everything you need in one place. You're not looking around in 100 different places. So thanks again for watching this webinar presentation. I really appreciate you for taking the time to be here. It's worth your time to get VideoCreator and all the upgrades. In fact, you have a 30-day no questions and money back guarantee. So for any reason, no reason at all, you want to leave and you get every single penny back, you will get every single penny back. And at the end of the day, at least you got an education of a lifetime. You got to create some beautiful professional videos that easily sell for thousands of dollars each right now in the marketplace. And you can use it for your own business or for your clients' businesses as well, and keep 100% of the profits using the commercial license that you're getting access to. So all in all, you're getting a value-packed package here, and it's easily our best ever video creation tool we've built in our 14 years of doing this, because it's very powerful, very easy to use, and it's the most important tool ever because it allows you to do different types of videos, basically get any idea that you have and convert it into a video with absolute ease. So that said, thank you so much. You'll find all the buttons and all the links and everything for the upgrades and all the other information right below this video. So be sure to check it out. But I just want to warn you, we will be 100% raising the price up to 67 bucks right away, very soon, maybe in a few hours, depending on when you're watching this. And in fact, we'll be changing it into a monthly subscription as well very, very soon. As I mentioned before, this is easily the most important project that we've ever built. And think of it basically like a Kickstarter campaign that we're running here, where tomorrow when we raise the price of the monthly subscription, and in the interim, at least in the next few hours, it raises it up to $67 or more, you're locking it for the lowest possible price, and everything that we're actually generating here will be put back into the application. We don't have any plans, which we've never done, to release a version 2.0 of VideoCreator and charge you more money. You're going to be getting updates forever as well included. That means you can be sure that for the next few years, you can use this great technology to make many times over of your investment and also enjoy doing that process. So that said, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, getting to train you on how to use this technology to the fullest potential to maximize your results, and also getting to know you a lot better once you're a member, because we do a lot of cool training for you. So once again, click on the buttons below and look forward to seeing you on the inside.